Let's learn SQL order by clause in 60 seconds. Let's say we have a table books which has different books across years published 1997, 57 and 37. And if you want to arrange the books by years published in descending order, let's see how to write the query here. Order by comes to use here for sorting this table. Let's write the query. Select star from books order by years published DESC, which means descending order. Now when you run the code, you can see that the books are arranged in descending order, which is 1997, 1957 and 1937. So in case you want to arrange the books in ascending order of years published, let's see how to write the code. You just delete DESC and add ASC, which means ascending. And now let's run the code. You can see that the books are arranged in ascending order, which is 1937, 1957 and 1997. Thank you.